Hello, second graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We are on lesson 9, still in topic 1, solve addition and subtraction word problems. So nothing new. All what we have to do, we need to figure out if this equation, in this question, we need to subtract or add. All right, so let's go.
Diego has 6 apples. Leslie has 9 apples. How many more apples does Leslie have than Diego? Will you add or subtract to solve this problem? Explain.
All right, so we have now 2 friends. Diego has 6 apples. Leslie has 9 apples. How many more apples does Leslie have than Diego? So will you add or subtract? Very good. Subtract, because we need to get the difference. We need to find out how many Leslie had than Diego. So we're gonna subtract. And you're gonna circle your choice. And now you're gonna see what we have. Diego have 6 and Leslie 9. So we're gonna say 9. Take away 6 or minus 6 equals 3. So if I want to do drawing, this is how I'm gonna do. Say Diego. I'm gonna say Diego. I'm gonna start with D, and I'm gonna write or draw 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I have Leslie. I'm gonna say L. She has 9. Fix this. So Leslie has 9 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I say this one, apple from Diego to Leslie have a partner, 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 have a partner. That leaves 3 apples without partners. That's the difference. So 9 take away 6 equals 3. So Leslie has, how many she has extra? She has 3 more apples than Diego. Right?
You can use addition or subtraction to find the missing part in a problem. 17 books are on a table. 8 books are on the shelf. How many fewer books are on the shelf than on the table? You need to find the missing part. How many fewer books are on the shelf than are on the table?
You can use a bar diagram and an equation to model the problem.
What does the bar diagram show?
It shows 2 parts, and we're looking for the missing part. It shows books on the shelves and books on the table.
The top bar shows the total. We know there are a total of 17 books on the table. The bottom bars show the parts. Which part do we know?
Select your answer.
Okay.
The shelf has fewer books. We know that there are 8 books on the shelf. What is the missing part?
The number of the books on shelf, or the second added.
We need to find how many fewer books are on the shelf. How can you find the value of the missing part? You can write an addition or subtraction equation for the problem. "17 minus 8 equals what number? 8 plus what number equals 17? To solve, think of the doubles fact 8 plus 8 equals 16. You know that 17 is one more than 16, so you know that 8 plus 9 equals 17. So there are 9 fewer books on the shelf.
All right. Let's go to the next exercise. Page 38.
Show me. Why can you use addition or subtraction to solve the problem shown?
In order to find the missing numbers or the missing addend, we need to do either addition or subtraction. And that's what we did in the previous exercise. Okay. Write an equation to solve each problem. Use any strategy. Sam has 5 red tomatoes and 3 green tomatoes. How many tomatoes does he have in all? This is simple. So I'm going to add all what he has, and that will be the total. So 5 red plus 3 green equals 8. Okay, let's go for the next one. There are 16 party hats in a box. There are 10 party hats in a bag. How many fewer hats are in the bag than in a box? So I know now that I have 2 items or 2 objects, but one is more than other. I need to find out how many fewer in this bag or in this box. So in this one, we will be subtracting. So I'm going to say 16 that's the party hats I have in a box. And then there are 10 party hats in one bag minus the 10 that I know. And when I subtract that, I will know how many fewer hats in a bag than in a box. I know 16 take away 10 equals 6. So there are 6 fewer hats in a bag than in a box. Then I can put again 6 here. Okay. This is independent practice. Write an equation to solve each problem. Use any strategy. So some of these problems could be addition or subtraction. We need to read and find out, am I looking for difference? Am I adding, or I want the total, or some item and object join? All right, so your turn will be doing page 39 and page 40. Okay, so that was today's lesson. Thank you. Hello, second graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We are in lesson 10, still in topic 1, and that would be the last lesson for the first topic. We have page 41. So let's start today's construct arguments. Still, we're not learning something new. It's just practicing how to use our strategies in addition and subtracting. So for this lesson, we will be using picture, numbers, words to explain why I decide to add or why I decide to subtract. Let's see what we have. Page 41.
How can you use the make a 10 strategy to find 7 plus 9? Explain your thinking and work. Use pictures, numbers, or words.
All right, if you remember, when we use the 10 frame, we need to move from the second 10 frame in order to have one frame with 10, and then the rest will be in the second 10 frame. And that will help us to add and make our addition more accurate. So let's draw, for example, here our 10 frames. Okay, so we have 7 and 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then the second frame we have 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I need to make one of these. I need to make one of these 10 frames 10. So I need to move. I can move either from the bottom 10 frames to the top or from the top to the bottom. So I'm gonna cross them from here because I'm gonna move them up. So these, the 3 counters that I cross them, I'm gonna move them here. And now I have 10. And then the second frame, it's not 9 anymore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know if I write 7 plus 9 equals 10, that's my first 10 frame, plus how many I have in my second one? Very good, 6. So if I add now, 7 plus 9 is 10 plus 6, which is equals 16. Awesome. So making 10 frames helped me to add and make sure that my answers are right. Okay. Let's see what we have here.
Show me. Are both math arguments clear and complete? Explain.
All right. What do we have here? We have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the second one again 6. So this is double. So this is another strategy. 6 plus 6, double 6, 12. And now we have here near double. So 6 plus 7 is just one more than 6 plus 6. So one more than 6 plus 6 equals 13, because I know my double 6, 12. And then after that, I know near double, which is one more than the 6, 7. So one more than 12 is 13. All right. Let's go for next page. Use a picture to help you solve the problem. Then use words and numbers to make a math argument. All right, so what do we have here? Is the sum of 9 plus 5 the same as the sum of 10 plus 4? All right, so I have my 10 frames here. This is the first one, 9, and this is the second frame, 5. So if I add 9 plus 5, the sum or the total or my answer would be the same like 10 plus 4? Yes, because if I move this counter from here and I add it up there, that will make my first frame 10 frame 10. 10, and how many I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 plus 5, the same as the sum of 10 plus 4. And my answer would be 14. So 9 plus 5 equals 10 plus 4 equals 14. Okay, let's go for the next one. Okay, I'll help you with one question here, and then you will do the rest. Solve each problem, use words, pictures, and numbers to make a math argument, like a question and equation. Lynn had 14 grapes. She ate 8 of them. She wants to eat 6 more grapes. Will Lynn have enough grapes? Explain. So total, I know that she has 14. I know that one of the parts, 8. Number 8. I'm looking for the missing part. So I can help myself and draw try to make it straight. Total 14. She ate 8 grapes. So I know one of my add-in, one part. Now, the second part, I don't know it. But the asking question, she wants to eat 6 more. So will Lynn have enough? Which is, you think this part, the missing part, would be 6? Well, let's see. I know that so you can say, I know that 14 take away 8 equals, what do I need to add to the 8 to make 14? Awesome. 6. That's mean 8 plus 6 give me the 14. So if I have stem, or counter, so if I have them here, 6, add them to the 8, they will be 14. So I can say also again 6 plus 8 equals 14. And remember the part says here, Lynn wants to eat 6 more grapes. Do you think she has enough? Yes, she has enough, because now I know that my missing part of my equation is 6. So now she has 6 pieces of grapes that she can eat. So yes, my answer, that 14, the total, one part is 8, the missing part is 6. So 14 take away 8 equals 6. That's mean 6 plus 8 equals 14. And now we have number 3, and then number 4. Okay. So this is for this lesson, and that would be the end for this lesson. Later on, we have some practice to do in your book, page 44, 45, till we go for our reteaching and the test. All right, that's it for today, second graders. Thank you.